In this video, I'm going to show you how to change this Shopify store name and URL. So once you open your browser, go to shopify.com, make sure to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, go and create an account. Once you do so, you should be taken, of course, to your store. If you have multiple stores, just go to the store that you want to change the URL or the name of it. First of all, you'll not be able to do that if you don't have a plan. So make sure to do have a plan. Of course, if I go here now to my online store in this left panel, I'll be taken here to themes. If I go here and click on view my online store, I'll be able to see the URL that is set at the moment as it. As you can see, this is the URL and I can go as an example and copy it, open it in incognito. I'll find here opening soon because it says password protected because I don't have a plan. If I want to remove the password, I can go to preferences and remove the password from here, as you can see, but I'll need to pick a plan to do so. So now to change the URL, if we go to this left panel and click on settings here, and we go again to this left panel and we gonna look for domains. Here, as you can see, you'll be able to connect your existing domain to change the URL of it, as you can see, or click here on change to a new My Shopify domain if you want to. That will let you just change the URL, which is the things before this myshopify.com. And of course, if it's available, as an example, let's say this is, as you can see, already exists. Let me just add this, already exists. I'm just going to add another X. So as an example, I can go here and click on add a domain, and I'll be able to use this for my online store. So if I go now and copy this as an example, open it in incognito mode, I should be, so yeah, just continue to site, and I should be taken to the same store right away. So that's if you want to change your URL using the free plan. If you want a better plan, of course, you will need to go and click on connect existing domain if you have a domain already as example. So you can go, let's say this is your domain, you can just go and type it here, click on next, and they will show you like the steps to change the URL. So as you can see, they will show you like you'll need to verify it and stuff, and then you'll be able to add it to your URL. So changing just the name of your store as example is very easy as well. Since you can go on this list panel again and click on general, from here you'll find yourself right here. So to my store, click on this pen icon. Once you click on it, you should find yourself here. On my store, you can change it to whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to change it to Omics. Click on save and you should be good to go. Now, the store name is Omics and basically the URL is, we change it as well as Omics, I guess, so .myshopify.com as you can see. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.